7 health benefits of turmeric you may not know about. Turmeric is a spice used in many cuisines, especially Asian cuisine. Turmeric has many health benefits. Here are 7 of them that you may not know about. 1. Depression. Depression is a constant feeling of sadness and loss of interest, which stops you doing your normal activities. There are different types of depression, with symptoms ranging from relatively minor to severe. In a double-blind study, people suffering from a major depressive disorder were given 1 gram of curcumin or a placebo for 8 weeks. The curcumin was significantly more effective than the placebo. Curcumin was also effective for the serious and difficult to treat atypical depression. 2. Arthritis. Arthritis is a medical condition that damages the body's joints, causing discomfort and pain. It can range from mild to severe and can affect people of all ages. Curcumin lowers pain scores significantly, better than placebo. 60% of people on the placebo still had to take non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs such as ibuprofen, while only 32% of people on curcumin did. A second study compared 1,500 milligrams of curcumin to placebo. The curcumin significantly reduced arthritis scores, including scores for pain and stiffness. The curcumin group reduced the need for painkillers by up to 84% compared to only 19% in the placebo group. 3. Diabetes. Diabetes is the name given to a group of different conditions in which the body cannot maintain healthy levels of glucose in the blood. Glucose builds up in the blood, leading to high blood glucose levels, which cause the health problems. In one of the most amazing diabetes studies, 237 pre-diabetics were given either curcumin or placebo twice a day for 9 months. 16.4% of pre-diabetics on placebo went on to develop type 2 diabetes, whereas 0% of those taking curcumin did not. The curcumin group had significantly better insulin-producing beta cell function and significantly less insulin resistance. 4. Ulcerative colitis. Ulcerative colitis is an inflammatory bowel disease causing painful and swelling inflammation in the digestive tract. A double-blind study included 50 people with mild to moderate ulcerative colitis who were not responding to the drug mesalamine. They all stayed on the mesalamine, but while half took a placebo and the other half took 3 grams a day of curcumin for 1 month. By the end of the study, mesalamine was still not working. None of the people who took the placebo were in remission, but 53.8% of those who took the curcumin were in clinical remission. 5. Anti-aging. With our busy lifestyles and our age-accelerating diets, it is no wonder why many of us look older than we actually are. Curcumin has been shown to slow the aging process by maintaining telomere length. The telomeres protect our DNA and the protein caps at the ends of our chromosomes. Telomere length shortens with each cell division, so when they reach a critical length, the cell finally dies. These telomeres help to determine how long you will live. Telomere shortness is a marker of aging, disease and premature death. The longer the telomeres are, the longer you are likely to live. In groundbreaking preliminary research, curcumin showed the ability to lengthen telomeres, thus slowing the aging process. 6. Cognition. Cognition is the mental action or process of acquiring knowledge and understanding through thought, experience, and the senses. In the first study of curcumin and cognition and mood, 60 healthy people between the ages of 60 and 85 were given either curcumin or a placebo. A double-blind study found that curcumin significantly improves working memory, fatigue, and fatigue caused by stress. When 37 people between 50 and 90 years of age who did not suffer from dementia were given either curcumin or a placebo over 18 months, memory and attention improved significantly on the curcumin compared to placebo. 7. Cancer. Cancer is a group of diseases involving abnormal cell growth with the potential to invade or spread to other parts of the body. Curcumin is one of the most promising and exciting cancer treatments. Curcumin has shown promise for both prevention and treatment of cancer. A review of curcumin in cancer therapy has concluded that it has anti-cancer effects at several stages of cancer, including the formation, growth and spread of cancer, and blocking angiogenesis, which is where cancer cells make new blood vessels in order to obtain nutrients to grow. As mentioned before, curcumin protects healthy cells from the side effects of chemotherapy when taken together. Recently, research has identified curcumin as one of the most powerful natural compounds for killing cancer stem cells. When it comes to treating cancer, there is no magic bullet, and you have to approach cancer from many angles. By putting together a team of healthcare professionals, you can work together to assess your condition and plan the treatment approach that is best for you. A team could include your doctor or oncologist, a naturopath, a herbal medicine practitioner, or a psychologist, or even a fitness coach. Remember, you are at the head of your team, and by being well informed of your options and understanding the disease, you can make better informed decisions. Decisions that could mean the difference between life or death.